from Twinkle Coders. I have made a scratch video where music plays and a bird flies. I have made this project in Scratch 3.0. When we press any left or right key, the bird flying by moving it wins. I have changed the backdrop also to give a complete look to my video. Thank you. This is my project in Scratch. This is the code, and when I click on the event, the parrot will fly like a real bird. Actually, it is not flying,